You have finally decided to take the first step towards solving your water problems. You are tired of irregular supply, poor quality, and rising costs. So you plan to build a rainwater harvesting and recharge system at your home. But what comes next? The very first question is, what is the actual potential of my roof? In other words, how much water can it really capture? And that's where the real trouble begins. You search for a calculator online. On one side, you find a simple calculator. They only ask for two numbers, roof area and annual rainfall. Enter the values and boom, you get a figure. Sounds easy, right? But you know deep down that this number is nowhere close to accurate. Experts will tell you that the roof slope, runoff losses, rainfall variation, recharge capacity, none of these are considered. The output looks neat, but it's misleading. So you try the advanced calculators. These are detailed, but instead of helping you, they overwhelm you. They demand technical knowledge, data sets, and hydrology expertise. It starts to feel less like checking your roof potential and more like competing in a science Olympiad. By now, you are frustrated and unsure if you even want to continue these efforts. And this is exactly the gap. Either the calculators are too shallow to trust or too complex to use. That's where our web application HydroAssist comes in. It bridges this gap by offering a tool that is simple for citizens, but still scientifically robust and reliable.
HydroAssist built by Team Athos Mark, an intelligent rainwater harvesting assessment. Our platform helps you assess the rainwater harvesting potential by combining satellite mapping, soil data analysis, and rainfall pattern. We give you two options. If you know the catchment area, then you can click on Start Assessment and get started. If we don't know the catchment area, then click on the Map Your Property and we got you covered. I'll show you further. And how our system works. Interactive mapping. User can draw the precise polygon on high resolution satellite map to define their exact catchment area. The rainfall analysis, we integrate Open Weather API to fetch detailed historical rainfall data. Soil intelligence using ISRIC soil grid. Global database, we analyze soil permeability, clay content, infiltration rate, and determine the groundwater recharge feasibility and recommend appropriate system types. The smart recommendation our engine analyzes all collected data to recommend the optimal water harvesting system, storage only, immediate use. The system cost analysis, comprehensive cost breakdown including material expenses, installation cost, maintenance projection, ROI, etc. The system professional report. We generate a professional report for the system, generate a detailed PDF report with technical specification, implementation guideline, chart, and engineering drawing. We work with three simple step process. Map your area using our interactive satellite map and define your catchment area with precision. Get instant analysis and download all the analysis in a PDF format. Receive a comprehensive PDM with design cost and ROI projection. The key feature, the precise area mapping, the automated system design, the API driven data, and the financial ROI analysis. We are powered by the global leader ISRIC Soil Grid, the Open Meteo, the satellite imaging. We offer our website in three languages: English, Hindi, and Tamil. Get started with the HydroAssist. Assess your rainwater harvesting potential in minutes with a free tool. Begin assessment. This every page comes in three languages: English, Hindi, and Tamil. English, Hindi, like जल कुल जल ग्रहण क्षेत्र, प्राथमिक सप्ताह प्रकार, परिवार का आकार, and then also Tamil. We give you the three options. Either you use the GPS and give us the total catchment area, or use the interactive map in which you select the roof and we will automatically calculate the area, or you can enter manually your coordinates and you can give the area. For the interactive map, when you don't know the area of your roof, you can click on the open interactive map, give the location access and click apply location to the map. Here you'll get a satellite map in which you just need to find your roof and select the area of the catchment. We have n number of points, so you can draw any possible figure, any possible closed figure. The there is only one constraint: the figure needs to be closed. Then it will calculate the area, and you can draw any figure which is possible. We have automatically calculated the area in meters square, square feet, acres. Click on generate detail analysis and recommendation. This will take you to the page where we ask few things like the number of people in your household, what is the approximate water cost per meter cube, like 1000 liter, the city classification, in which tier of the city you are living, tier 2, tier 3, tier 1, or what. Click on complete setup. Our engine will run. It will fetch the data from the APIs, use soil type, and the rainfall from the open weather API, and it will automatically calculate at the backend. System is running. The key performance metric: what could be the annual harvest potential, recharge allocation, the storage allocation, recharge allocation, household demand coverage, how much percentage of the demand we will be covering by the storage allocation. And in our annual harvest potential, we also consider the first flush diverter. The recommended system design, we recommend storage system classification, the recharge system classification, the configuration, how many recharge pits, what's total capacity, recommended dimensions, total footprint. We also give you idea about the supporting infrastructure like the first flush diverter, multi-stage filtration, gutter system. In the financial and ROI, one will understand about how much investment they need to make and what is the return on it. What is the cost breakdown, what how much in the installation labor, guttering pipe, filtration system, first flush diverter, recharge system, storage tank, and we give you idea about the total system cost and what could be the annual maintenance, what is annual water saving, payback period, etc. And we also give you idea about the what environmental impact you'll be making by taking this model, like how much water independence you'll be having, about 90 meter cube a year, how much groundwater replenishment you'll be doing, 79 meter cube, how much carbon dioxide footprint reduction, 45 kg per year. This is one of our key feature. We give you an idea about what data are we using to calculate this final report. And the formulas which we are using are validated by the well-known research from the well institutes. And like the data we are using, how many percent, the city classification, the aquifer yield, the groundwater depth pre-monsoon, post-monsoon, the soil classification, annual rainfall. These are the rainfall analysis of the year, how in which month how much millimeter rainfall was there, what is the total rainfall, monthly average, max month, min month, what is the runoff coefficient, what is the collecting efficiency. And in the summary report, we provide you the full summary of all the data. Click on the download professional PDF report. Here comes, click on save, open file. This is the report which we have generated automatically. System strategy, system efficiency, the key performance metrics, the recommended system design, the recharge system specification, the supporting infrastructure, the comprehensive financial analysis, annual maintenance, direct water saving, recharge benefits, annual benefits, payback period, the system cost breakdown, storage tank, recharge tank, first flush diverter, filtration system, site characteristic which we have used for this calculation, what are the environmental impact you'll be having, water independence, groundwater recharge, CO2 footprint reduction, what are the long-term environmental benefits, what are the implementation guidelines you need to look upon, obtain necessary municipal permits and NOCs, conduct detailed soil testing, site survey, which are the after step of this. And we also recommend you for the maintenance, what are your monthly tasks, what are your quarterly and annual tasks, estimate the annual maintenance cost. This is the monthly rainfall distribution. Our report is currently available in two languages, English and Hindi, and we are working on to provide more language support to our website and report. And we are also working to provide more features and more usefulness. And here this PDF report is ready. Click on download. So this is our Hindi report. It will tell you everything, but in Hindi. Regional, we are working to give you the regional language support also. So this is our minimum viable product for this project.